Welcome to the breathtaking island of Santorini, Greece, where blue-domed churches meet stunning sunsets. If you're planning a trip, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll uncover the top 10 must-do activities that will make your Santorini adventure unforgettable. Stick around and let's dive into this Aegean paradise. Watch the sunset in Oia. Santorini is world-famous for its jaw-dropping sunsets, and there's no better place to watch them than in Oia. Perched on the island's northern tip, this charming village offers unparalleled views of the sun dipping into the Aegean Sea. Arrive early to secure the perfect spot, as crowds flock here daily. Trust us, this magical moment is worth every second of the wait. Explore the village of Fira. Fira, the island's bustling capital, is a blend of traditional Greek charm and modern energy. Stroll through its narrow streets lined with boutique shops, restaurants, and whitewashed houses. Don't forget to visit the Archaeological Museum of Fira for a dose of history. For the adventurous, take the cable car down to the old port for incredible views. Take a boat tour to the Caldera. No trip to Santorini is complete without a visit to the volcanic Caldera. Hop on a boat tour to explore the rugged lava islets and take a dip in the therapeutic hot springs. Most tours also include stops for snorkeling or swimming in crystal-clear waters. It's an unforgettable way to experience the island's dramatic landscapes. Relax at Red Beach. Santorini's Red Beach is a geological wonder, with crimson cliffs and volcanic sands meeting turquoise waters. It's the perfect spot for sunbathing, snorkeling, or simply marveling at nature's artistry. Access is a bit tricky, involving a short hike, but the views are worth the effort. Remember to bring water shoes, as the rocky terrain can be challenging. Visit the ancient ruins of Akrotiri. Step back in time with a visit to Akrotiri, a well-preserved Minoan settlement buried by a volcanic eruption. Often called the Pompeii of the Aegean, this archaeological site is a treasure trove of history. Walk through ancient streets and marvel at the remnants of frescoes, pottery, and buildings. It's a fascinating glimpse into life on the island over 3,500 years ago. Sample Santorini's unique wines. Santorini's volcanic soil produces some of Greece's finest wines, and a wine tour is a must. Visit local vineyards to sample the island's signature Assyrtiko wine, known for its crisp and mineral-rich flavor. Many wineries offer tastings with stunning caldera views, a sensory treat. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or a casual sipper, this experience is unforgettable. For outdoor enthusiasts, the hike from Fira to Oia is an absolute must. This 6-mile trail winds along the caldera's edge, offering panoramic views at every turn. The journey takes about 3 to 4 hours, but the scenery makes it worth every step. Pack comfortable shoes, water, and a camera to capture the incredible vistas. Greek food lovers, rejoice! Santorini is a culinary paradise offering dishes like fava, tomato fritters, and fresh seafood. Head to a seaside taverna for a meal paired with breathtaking ocean views. Don't leave without trying baklava or loukoumades. Your sweet tooth will thank you. Tucked below Oia, Amoudi Bay is a hidden gem for swimming and dining. Descend the 300 steps to find crystal-clear waters perfect for a refreshing dip. After your swim, savor fresh seafood at one of the bay's charming tavernas. It's a peaceful escape from the bustling crowds above. No visit to Santorini is complete without a photo at its iconic blue-domed churches. These picturesque landmarks, often seen in postcards, are primarily found in Oia and Firostefani. Take your time to wander through these villages and soak in their serene beauty. Don't forget to snap a photo to immortalize the moment. Santorini is a destination that captures the heart and soul of every traveler. With its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, it's no wonder it's on so many bucket lists. Which of these activities are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures.